Hi there, my name is Jeremy Stretton. I am the founder of the Business Legal Lifecycle. And today I wanted to answer that question, how much does a lawyer cost? Unfortunately, the answer to that question is a bit like how long's a piece of string. It's very hard to know exactly what a lawyer is going to cost because it really depends on what you're asking your lawyer to do and then working out what the fair value for that work is. So it should always be that you're paying a fair value for the work that you need done. So, often the questions we get asked is, how much does a lawyer cost? How will I be charged? How do I know if I'm being overcharged for legal advice? And really, this comes down to experience and really asking great questions of your lawyer. So, what we encourage you to do is to learn about business and learn about your in your business what the different legal aspects are. So, generally, lawyers charge on two bases. Firstly, they charge on time. I personally dislike charging on time, and I haven't done a bill based on time for a very long time. Lawyers can charge anywhere from $200 to $1,200 an hour, and often they charge in 6-minute increments. So if they do something for you for 5.5 minutes, that's 1 unit, and so that'll be like 1/10 of an hour. So if it's a $400 hour, that 1/10 will cost you $40. But say if they do 6 minutes and 15 seconds, that's 2 units. And so that's $80 all of a sudden that you're charged because they work out the price in 6-minute increments. As I said, I dislike charging on time. I think it's a bad way to charge time, and I think it's actually a bad way to run a business. And there's lots of other reasons why time billing doesn't work. And for lawyers out there, I'm happy to talk to you about those too. You can. It's actually really bad for business because you limit the amount of time that you can actually charge by doing that. The second way, and my preferred way, is fixed fee charging. This can also be called value pricing, although they are slightly different concepts. So fixed fee pricing is about saying that you're going to prepare this type of document or do this work, and you're going to charge X number of dollars. Value pricing is more looking what's the value that the client's going to get from all of this work, and then charging for a fair value for that work. That's a much better way of doing it. Now, one of the keys that I always say to people when they're going to see a lawyer is make sure that you talk to them about what you need to do. And that's one of the reasons we created the Business Legal Lifecycle Risk Assessment Tool. If you're looking on our webpage, have a look down at the bottom of the page, you'll see a link to that. And if you're on YouTube, please go to businesslegallifecycle.com and look in the top right-hand corner, you'll see the where you can take the test. And basically gives you an assessment of what you're missing in your business. And the idea around this is to empower you with the knowledge, what you need to do to build a great business, and so that you can go and sit down with your lawyer and say, okay, this is what I need done. And the lawyer should be able to give you a fixed price for that amount. And that way you know what you're being charged. Got any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Always happy to help out where I can. Thanks so much. Bye.